Good morning, students. Let us start our today's class with a new topic of electricity. Today we will discuss heating effect of electric current. Now, what is heating effect of electric current? The production of heat in a conductor due to the flow of electric current through it is called heating effect of electric current. Now the question is, how electric energy is converted into the heat energy? When the conductor is connected to the source of electricity like a dry cell, the free electrons begin to drift from negative to positive terminal of the cell through the conductor, and they collide with the atoms or the ions of the conductor. As a result of these collisions, the kinetic energy of free electrons is transferred to the atoms or ions of the conductor. So the atoms or ions vibrate with large amplitude about their mean positions. Hence, the average kinetic energy or total energy of the ions increases. This increase in the energy of ions increases the temperature of the conductor. That is, in short, we can conclude that due to the movement of the electrons through the conductor, they collide with each other and their average energy increases, which simultaneously increase the temperature of the conductor. Thus, heat is produced when electric current flows through the metallic conductor. Next, we will discuss Joule's law of heating. Joule's law can be stated as the amount of heat produced in a conductor is number 1, directly proportional to the square of the electric current flowing through it. That is, H is proportional to I square. Here we have to consider the resistance and time is constant. Next, number 2, the amount of heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor or resistor. That is, H, heat, is directly proportional to R. Here, current and time is constant. Number 3, the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to the time for which the electric current flows through the conductor. That is, heat H is directly proportional to T when resistance and current is constant. Combining equation 1, 2 and 3, we get H is directly proportional to I square RT, or H is equals to K I square RT. Here K is the constant of proportionality. Now if K is equals to 1, then we can write H is equals to I square RT. So this is the relation of heat produced in a conductor while current flowing through the conductor is I, resistance of the conductor is R, and the time duration for the flow of current is T, then H is equals to I square RT. Next, we will discuss some practical applications of heating effect of current. Number 1, electric heater, electric iron and water heater all works on the heating effect of current. The element of electric heater is made of nichrome. Since resistance of nichrome is very high and we know heat is directly proportional to resistance, therefore a large number of heat is produced in the element of the electric heater. Thus, filament of the electric heater becomes red hot. Number 2, electric bulb glows when electric current flows through the filament of the bulb. Filament of an electric bulb is made of a thin wire of tungsten and melting point of tungsten is very high. It is about 3380 degrees Celsius. The filament of the bulb is enclosed in a glass envelope which is fixed over an insulated support. And the glass envelope of electric bulb is filled with inactive gases like nitrogen and argon to increase the life of the tungsten wire. Since resistance of thin filament is very high, so a large heat is produced as the electric current flows through the filament. And due to this large amount of heat produced, filament of the bulb becomes white hot. Hence, the filament of the bulb emits light and heat. Next, number 3, electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device connected in series with the electric circuit. An electric fuse is a wire made of a material like copper or tin lead alloy, whose melting point is very low. When large amount of current above a certain limit flows through a circuit and hence through the fuse, a large amount of heat is produced, and due to which the fuse wire melts and the circuit is broken so that current stops flowing in the circuit, and this saves the electric circuit from burning due to the passage of large current through it. Next, we will discuss one numerical related to heating effect of electric current. An electric heater of resistance 500 ohm is connected to a main supply for 30 minutes. If 5 ampere current flows through the filament of the heater, calculate the heat energy produced in the heater. Now here current I is equals to 5 ampere, resistance R is equals to 500 ohm and time T is 30 minutes. Here time we have to convert to second. That's why you have to multiply by 60. Then time is equals to 1800 second. Now using H equals to I square RT, just substitute the value of I, R and T. We will get 2.25 into 10 to the power 7 joule. Thus, heat energy produced in the heater is 2.25 into 10 to the power 7 joule. Now, this much is for today's class. Thank you.